Hey out there in YouTube land, and this is Fly Guy with a Minecraft tutorial, and I hope you find this very interesting. This tutorial is on the induction smelter from thermal expansion. Now I know there's been a lot of tutorial videos out there on YouTube. I've looked and I've also experimented a lot, but I found some things with the induction smelter that nobody seems to have covered or nobody knows, so this might help you. Okay, here I've got the induction smelter just set up, a little test world, being powered by the solar powers from the mechanism plugin. I actually enjoy that mod. It's actually a very efficient mod, so I like mechanism. And all I've got here is four crystal chests, and they're all these are the outputs, so two outputs and two inputs. Now I'm not going to worry too much about the inputs for this demonstration. This is just simply to set it up. But if you're wondering how you can use the pipe here for getting items sent to it, these have to be powered. Now there's a couple of ways of doing that. Here I've just got this power cable coming from my solar generators powering the induction furnace, the induction smelter, and also it's enough power there to actually activate that. Even though it's not bright red, it actually activates it quite well. The other way, of course, is if you say have an input there, you just put a switch or something or tee it up and you'll see it turn on when I flick the switch, and that'll draw out whatever's in there. You just change them with the wrench from the blue when you set them up. Now you can also use Buildcraft piping, which I often do. I use the Buildcraft diamond pipes to separate and sort the items out. But going back to the induction furnace, okay, everybody seems to know if you add sand and you add an ore, whether it's a dust, okay, we'll put a dust up there, everybody seems to know that you'll get certain things out, whether it's you using the raw ore or you're using the dust. Most people know you'll get a byproduct called slag. Okay, so here I've got different types of iron dusts that are from different mods that are put in there. So applied energistics gives an iron dust, an engineer's toolbox. You get two different types of iron there, pure and impure. Mechanism also has dirty iron dust from mechanism again. Industrial craft, tiny pile of iron dust from Industrial Craft 2, and nether iron dust from Rotary Craft, and pig iron dust from Rotary Craft. And there's another one up here, dark iron dust from Rotary Craft. Now they're so far all of the iron dusts that I can actually get using the pulverizer with all the mods I've got running at the moment. I'm running version 1.6.4 of Minecraft with 117 mods currently active. So as you can see, each one of these iron dusts mixed with sand, yes, they'll give certain things out. Pure iron dust will give out the byproducts of slag as well, and you can just check to your heart's content. See, that one won't work. Engineer's toolbox doesn't do anything, and mechanism one, that doesn't do anything either. Let's have a look at this iron dust. Yes, we do get something out of there. Tiny pile of iron dust. No, we don't get anything out of there. Industrial crafts, yes, it's active with sand as well, so you get a couple of things. Rotary Craft one, don't get anything out of there. Pig iron dust from Rotary Craft, no, we don't get anything out of there. And we'll try the last one, Rotary Craft, and no. And I like Rotary Craft too, that is really, really cool. Okay, so if we come back to our outputs, you'll have a look here, you'll see that was from an earlier one I did, gold. So there's you got iron ingots out of that, and out a couple of these we also got slag. Okay, so everybody knows that you can combine your ores and sand and you'll get slag and you'll get whatever. Now here's the thing, have you thought about combining different dusts? Because here's the thing, if you combine iron and charcoal, you'll get steel. Aluminium and copper, and you'll get brass. Silver and gold, you'll get electrum ingot. And a cinnabar and ferrous or nickel or pendolite ore will give you ferrous or shiny ingots. Now, I don't know if people actually knew that or not. So to give you an example, I've got the iron dust out there. Let's get some charcoal. I'm just using not enough items for this. So we're just getting some charcoal. We can get charcoal dusts. I might also grab a block of charcoal and some Minecraft charcoal, sugar charcoal. Okay, and we'll try those ones. So we'll take our iron dust. I'll take the pure iron dust. Try that one first. Take the sand out of there. And we put our railcraft charcoal dust in there. Well, we don't get any reaction. Let's just change that to this one. No, we don't get a reaction. Okay, so we'll put that back and find out which one gives us a reaction. Charcoal block, no reaction. Okay, the normal charcoal from Minecraft, yes, reaction. Now you can see it's going a little bit slower than it would with sand, but it is definitely doing something. Now that should give us steel ingots. So I'll just let it do a couple of those. As you can see, alright, and I'll just try some of these other ones as well. Nothing on that one. Dirty iron from mechanism, nothing on that one. And so on, you just have to experiment. So, okay, so that one, iron dust from mechanism, working with the normal Minecraft charcoal. So you can see putting two ores together will get something completely different. Alright, so again, so that is iron and charcoal will give you steel. Okay, so if you use now gold, let's say gold dust, we'll get some gold dust. We'll just take, which one will we take? Let's just take the first one, I suppose. Try that one from Applied Energistics, and we combine that with silver. So we need some silver dust. So just get some silver dust. So we'll just take the first couple just to be on the safe side. Okay, we'll put the impure one up there first. We get no reaction. Okay, take this one, pure silver dust. Yes, we get reaction. Okay, so what that's doing is creating electrum ingots. Okay, so you can get a whole new range of ores or ingots just by combining them. So there's our electrum ingots, which, you know, is just a combination of that silver and gold, and there's your iron ingots, and there's your steel ingots. Now, of course, there also can be found in railcraft, a steel ingot, and thermal expansion for the electrum. But to create them, if you want to just create them using, I'll make it daytime again. If you want to create them using the induction smelter, combine two ores. Don't just combine them with sand, right, and get whatever. Combine them with another ore and you'll get another type of ingot. So there's probably quite a few more. According to the induction smelter wiki, the ones that they have on there, which I haven't tried yet, which probably would work too, they say any metal ore with sand, you'll get 2 metal ingots and slag. Now that will cost you 320 MJs. So that's using the block ore. If you use any metal dust by 2 with sand, then you'll get 2 metal ingots and slag. If you use pulverized obsidian, you'll get pulverized lead, dust, and then hardened glass. Pulverized obsidian with lead ingot, you'll get hardened glass again. So a couple of things. So there you go, guys. I hope you found that enjoyable. I hope you found it interesting. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know what combinations of ores you've used and what the end results have been, because I'd like to actually get a list of what is actually out there, because I can't seem to find a list of it. So have a nice night. Thanks, guys.